Jay Shah will be the youngest chairman of the ICC. Yes, you heard it right. इस साल नवंबर में आईसीसी के करंट चेयरमैन ग्रेग बार्कले का टेन्योर कंप्लीट हो रहा है और उन्होंने अभी डिक्लेयर किया दैट ही इज नॉट कंटेस्टिंग फॉर अनदर टर्म ऑफ इलेक्शन. So now, ICC will take nominations till 27th August for the chairman's position, and Jay Shah is the front runner to succeed Greg Barclay. As per the rules of the ICC, to get elected as chairman, total 16 votes में से 51% यानी 9 या उससे ज्यादा वोट्स आपको मिलने चाहिए. रिपोर्ट्स की माने तो क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड क्रिकेट बोर्ड इज इन सपोर्ट ऑफ जय शाह. So it is almost confirmed that he will be the next chairman of the International Cricket Council. Just 15 years in the cricket fraternity, and now Jay Shah will be the king of one of the most followed sports in the world. Let's see how his journey started. अगर हम थोड़ा पास्ट में जाए तो जय शाह की जर्नी 2009 में शुरू हुई थी. He became the member of the Central Board of Cricket in Gujarat. 4 years later, in 2013, Jay Shah Gujarat Cricket Association के joint secretary बन गए. Again, 2 years down the line, in 2015, Jay Shah became a member of the Finance and Marketing Committee of the BCCI. फिर अगले 4 साल में, in 2019, he was elected the secretary of the BCCI. In 2022, he was re-elected for the same position. With this, he was also appointed the president of the Asian Cricket Council in the year 2021. In 2022, Jay Shah was appointed as ICC board member representative, also elected as the head of ICC's all-powerful Finance and Commercial Affairs Committee at the board meeting. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि एशियन गेम्स, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स एंड 2028 LA ओलंपिक्स में क्रिकेट का जो इंक्लूजन हुआ है उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक इंसान को जाता है और वो है जय शाह. So, overall, Jay Shah's journey was already around the ICC for the past few years and he is expected to become the chairman in future. लेकिन जय शाह से पहले भी इंडिया से ICC के चेयरमैन रह चुके हैं. In 1997, जगमोहन दालमिया पहले इंडियन थे जो आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट बने थे and he was the chairman till 2000. After him, in 2010, Sharad Pawar became the second Indian to become the president of the ICC. After that, N. Srinivasan became the chairman of the ICC in 2014, succeeded immediately by Shashank Manohar in 2015. After him, Greg Barclay from New Zealand became the chairman and he served 2 consecutive terms from 2020 to 2022 and 2022 to 2024, and the second term will be ending in November this year. और अब बारी है हमारे 5th इंडियन की जो आईसीसी को लीड करेंगे, the 3rd इंडियन चेयरमैन ऑफ द आईसीसी, जय शाह. अब तक सब कहते थे that BCCI is ruling cricket in the world and Jay Shah is the most important member of the BCCI. At the overall level, ICC's decisions are more favored towards India and we used to make fun of him as a script writer. But we should not forget today that IPL is the second biggest sports league due to him. Jay Shah led a record-breaking deal for the 5-year media rights for 48,390 crore rupees. To give you a perspective, IPL से BCCI को 2022 में 2,367 crore rupees का प्रॉफिट हुआ था, and that number jumped up by 116% in the next year. In 2023, the BCCI made 5,120 crores of profit from the IPL. Now that Jay Shah himself will become the chairman of the ICC, let's see overall cricket में हमें क्या changes देखने को मिलता है and specifically इंडिया के लिए क्या नया होता है क्रिकेट की दुनिया में. Let us know what your thoughts are about a young Indian leader like Jay Shah leading the ICC and the future of cricket worldwide. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you around in the next one.